I was just right now at this beautiful restaurant, Cafe Grace, and had a beautiful cappuccino. And now I'm going to go a bit around here in Medjugorje to meet a group, and I take you around here. Let's go together. Morning.
Hi, morning.
Let's go together. Let's go this way. Going to meet a group and take them to Medjugorje. Let's go together. Medjugorje in the morning, as you can see, very quiet. Here's St. James Church. For me, hard to say as a German, St. James Church. And we go together. See, it's still quiet. We have Palm Sunday on Sunday. All the shops are open around the church, the restaurants as well. Season will start soon. And yeah, see, restaurants are open. It's getting warmer. Like the next few days, it's going up to 20 degrees Celsius. Morning. And still at night chilly, 1 degree, but it's going up to 8 degrees as well. It's April, the beginning of April. That's where the old church of Medjugorje was, in that park, small church. Church was behind there in that park. We have an entrance here. I show you. That's where the old church was. You can still see the... Here it is. You see it? Small place, you know, small church. They have still the crowned architecture to see. There we go. You go over there fast. Cars coming. Just a few days before season starts. Still, as you can see, quiet. There's my favorite bakery over there. You know that by now if you look at the other video where I bought the pastry. Very nice. In the back you can see still the mountains covered in snow. I hope you can see that. In the back it's beautiful. You know, Medjugorje means in between the mountains, literally. And I leave you with that view on the mountains. Maybe I go a little bit more with you guys. Subscribe to the channel if you like the video and share it, that other people also can see the beauty of Medjugorje. That's the local school here. The mountains in the back, as you saw. And I go here. Some friends. You can see here. This is the way to Apparition Hill. If you go further down that road, I'll take you a little bit more. You go that around. You can also see like a movie, a walking tour to Apparition Hill. I did that. Check in my YouTube channel. There is walking tour to Apparition Hill. And you see, Medjugorje before was like they cultivated tobacco and wine. Still wine they do, as you can see here now. And I leave you with this wine and the view on Apparition Hill. Maybe you can see Our Lady, but I think I will walk a little bit more. Maybe you can see even in the back Our Lady on the hill. And as I said, please subscribe to the channel, share the videos that other people also can see the beauty of Medjugorje. That's Apparition Hill. I think we can't see Our Lady from here. Check. There's a possibility to see her. No, I think it's not possible. See from here. So have a good day from Medjugorje. I'm praying here for you. And have a joyful, beautiful day. Remember, we are the Hallelujah people. We spread the good news. And spread it. Make a smile on the face of a person today. These are the simple things that we should do as Christians, no? Bye bye for now. God bless you all, and I pray for you.